Are you a WhatsApp user? Then you'll be pleased to know that the app now has a new feature which allows you to send photos or videos that the recipient can view only once before it self-destructs. This brings WhatsApp in line with other social apps that have similar functions. In this video we'll show you how to use this new feature in just a few simple steps, but we'll also tell you how to get around it. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of WhatsApp. You can upgrade the app by visiting the Play Store or the Apple App Store and checking for the latest available update. Next, to send a disappearing photo or video, open up an existing chat with a contact or begin a new conversation. To attach an image to a message, you can either tap the camera icon and take a new photo or video, or tap on the paperclip icon and select one from the gallery, but don't hit send just yet. You'll notice a new icon has appeared in the text field just to the left of the send button, a circle with a 1 in the middle. Tap this icon. The first time you do so, you'll get a pop-up informing you that the photo set to view once, so it will disappear when the recipient has opened it and viewed it once. Tapping it will also turn from white to green, so you can know it's switched on. Now you can hit send. A message will appear in the conversation thread that shows the view once icon and confirms that the photo or video has been sent, but you are unable to see the media itself. After the media has been viewed, the message will change from photo or video to opened, and the 1 will disappear from the icon. Your recipient will see the same message on their phone and will no longer be able to view that media. But wait, there's more. We know that some of you might want to save that disappearing photo or video. So how do you get around this? Well, there are a few ways. One way is to take a screenshot of the media before it disappears, but the sender will be notified that you have taken a screenshot. Another way is to use a third-party app to record your screen while you view the media, but this is a bit more complicated. And that's it. Now you know how to use WhatsApp View Once feature, as well as how to get around it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and thanks for watching.